Guys, it's Brock here, day 8 of the I Quit Sugar vlog. Just smashed a pretty intense workout, had a quick cold shower. I'm going to show you guys what I do next. So yeah, thoughts and feelings, always like to have those down. Yeah, I'm feeling a bit oily, like I've been eating so much dairy and butter to replace the sugars. I'm noticing that a bit on my forehead, tasting it a bit. Workout's feeling really strong, muscle gains, all that sort of cool stuff. And yeah, after working out, I always like to grab a nice box of produce out of the fridge. So some kale, some cucumbers, some beetroot, stuff like that. And I make myself a juice. So yeah, that's my Health Start Ceramic Juice Pro juicer. Plug to them, pretty cool company. Yeah, it's got the ceramic auger and everything. And yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So I'm not going to hit you with the noise of the juicer and everything, but yeah, just letting you guys know it's all going well. Lots of good feedback from other people, feeling strong working out. Yesterday I was just really hungry, like just wanted to eat all day. Ended up having a couple of coconuts because a mate brought those over, a couple of different things like that. Yeah, and flax crackers, back into the bone broth, and got some really beautiful bones from a grass-fed organic guy up in Port Douglas. So yeah, that's the plan. Keeping on with all this good nutrition, eating some nuts. Hey, why don't I show you guys the produce stash? There you go, that's what some of the stuff we got today. Lemons, sweet potato, onions red and brown. Funny looking zucchini or cucumber there. There's the fridge. So you got this for later. Might just have half of that, but organic beef rump steak. Big pumpkin at the back, broccoli. Got my raw milk, alfalfa sprouts in there. Some yogurt. So yeah, this morning so far I've just had coffee, a yogurt, raw milk, this milk, for breakfast with some cacao and carob and a few proteins. So yeah, that's the fridge at the moment. Heaps of fresh produce, cauliflower, tons of greens. You saw the stash for the juices. And that's it for me today. Have a great day. Just sharing my thoughts and feelings. Got any questions, hit me up below. Put them on Facebook at Brock Lifetarian and have the best day ever. See ya.